After that, what happened? After some time, the third birthday of his son came. Now he wants to gift a special gift for his son. Okay, that's why he just go to shopping complex. Okay, and by searching he just found a wooden tiger. Last, he just got a chance to find a wooden tiger. Okay, that is not so much of worth, but shopkeeper asked for 300 because he know very well if he said that the wooden tiger is very low price, wooden tiger is of very low price, then might be possible the king angry. So he just asked for 300 rupees. Okay, this wooden tiger is the symbolic tiger. Okay, and how this tiger proof this tiger is possible to make the end of the tiger king. Okay, let's find. This toy was craft unskillfully, मीन्स वो किसी अनस्किलफुली जिसको आता नहीं था बनाने उस कारीगर द्वारा ये निर्मित थी, जिसके सरफेस क्या थे, बहुत ही रफ थे. ठीक है, इसके सरफेस बहुत ही रफ थे. एंड on one day when the Maharaja, the Tiger King, was playing with the same toy with his son, one of silver pierced in his Maharaja right hand. Okay, महाराजा के हाथ में क्या हुआ, राइट हैंड में उसका एक कोई कण चला गया. ठीक है, और इसकी वजह से उसके पूरे हैंड में क्या इन्फेक्शन फैल गया. मीन्स ऑल द हैंड flared or I sprayed the pulse in the means body. Okay, so Dr. World called, and just a minute. Dr. World called and three famous surgeons from the Madras. Madras performed operation. Okay, to check the Maharaja. At last, what happened? The operation, they just come after the from the operation theater, and this line is very important, and declared that the operation was successfully. Okay, the operation was successful. The Maharaja King is dead. Yes, this Maharaja, the Tiger King, was dead. Now, then how the operation was successful? Do the surgeons are from the side of astrologer or the from the side of tigers? In this way, the wooden tiger, who is just a symbolic tiger, take its final revenge upon the Tiger King. So this word is quite funny, ridiculous. Okay, as in the start we have discussed, this chapter is a satire. This story is a satire. Such a foolish Tiger King who just able to kill the 100 tiger. Last he was unknowingly killed by the Tiger. Okay, all the scenario, all the things went according to Maharaja, but at last he just accept whatever in his destiny. Okay, so the moral come from this lesson that nobody could escape from the destiny. Whatever you have to face, you have to face it. Okay, nobody could escape it, as in the case of Tiger King we have seen. So in this way the story is end, and at last we see that the prophecy of the astrology proved right. Means who is better, we can't say, but astrology, whatever astrologer has put the remark, that is going to be means correct, because the Tiger King was not able to achieve the number of 100 Tiger King. In this way, we have completed the explanation of the Tiger King. If you have any problem regarding the 3 lectures as I have provided you in 3 parts, you may ask from me variously. Okay, about his question answer, I will make another day. I just discuss about the same. Okay, for that, just have a good time. Thank you.